Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate battery protection on Android phone. Okay, for your information, here I'm using Android 14, so this feature is available on Android 14, but I don't know whether this feature available on other Android versions or not. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, we can go to our settings application on our Android phone and we can open the battery setting. This one, tap on the setting, and here you can activate the battery protection on your Android phone. And here I have activated. So when your battery power reach 80% while it's charged, the charging process will be automatically stopped to extend the lifespan of your battery. I guess, and that's how we can activate our battery protection on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.